life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You need a direction, bro.
So I've been thinking of reordering things in this room, and today I have the strength to do that. So I'm taking my table and chair. Look at the way it looks, very messy. I'm taking it to that part and bringing my mirror to this side. We are going to be rearranging. First things first, we are taking everything that is on this table off.
What's up on the time? What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. The work I could get it, to be my price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I no get the name, I no sing a sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise.
I'm done arranging the table part and the mirror. I've taken it to the other side. And I'm going to do this basket stuff off camera and I'll be back.
For my city gone. You know be run from who you are.
Hey guys, this is days after cooking. Today is Thursday 9/12, and yeah, I haven't spoken in a long time. I've even forgotten that I was vlogging. So, and the ones that I vlogged, they're like 2 minutes, I think. So my exams are coming up August 1st, so I have like 2 weeks to prepare for my exam, and then I'm going to be off from YouTube for a while because I need to finish up with school and then, just do the old school thing and get it over because that's my last exam. So you will not see me for like, I think you will not see me till like September, I think, because I have to do my project. I've literally abandoned it. Anyways, I want to arrange the clothes that I washed. I want to fold it, that clothes. I want to fold it and then just, arrange everywhere. And you are going to, I'll put it in montage.
Man, waiting go be man is cast in stone. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run bá wa sànú. Mo wárí títí mo dẹ̀ ṣàmì o. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tó kó mi yọ. Kàlẹ́ máa ṣeun, kàlẹ́ ṣe kàlẹ́ máa yọ. Orí Ọlọ́run, my mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blessed. Tonight because you love me. Yeah, jẹ́ ká jòrò mi. Nothing man no face, vibe to pay. These kind things in our life we do.
I'm done arranging the clothes, folding the clothes, and I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the night. This hair that we made back in June, I think. Let me check. Let me confirm if it's June. I cannot remember when I made this hair. I'm going back to watch my video to confirm the date. Okay. Three weeks ago. That was like that. It feels very, very weird when other people are watching my videos and I'm beside them. Like, it's weird, very weird. It's taking forever. I'm getting there. Oh, like I skipped. Yeah, I made it June 23. I made it June 23, so I'm correct. Anyways, I want to lose the hair. It's very rough. So, like this, it's been 3 weeks since I made this hair. Yes. And I'm going to lose it 2 weeks after before my exam because I don't want it to shrink. If I lose it now and then I start sleeping on it, it's going to shrink. So I'm trying to look at the camera while I talk so that my eyes is not going to be, away from you guys. Anyways, I think I'm going to end this vlog here because I don't really have any other thing I'm doing. And mind you, I created a new TikTok account because the TikTok I have before, me and that account don't go together anymore. Like, I have random followers on it. I'm not even comfortable talking on it, and when I even want to post, I seek validation from ChatGPT before I post. Like, why? I think it's because I've been off from that account for like 2 years, so now it's just weird, very, very weird when I want to post. But I'm going to be using that account as a backup account and account where I can be going live because it has like 2K followers there. And then the one I just created, I'll be using that one as the main account just to build community. And then the main one has one E and two I, while the backup has two E's and two I. Anyways, I'm going to update it in my link tree. So that's it. I might vlog whenever I can along the way. Anytime you see a video, you know I've made a video. But if I can't, you'll see me after my exam, after my project, yeah. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow my new TikTok account, and I will see you after exams. Hopefully I finish my project because mind you, I'm a 400 level. Yes, and I'm studying computer science, so wish me luck. I used to do it like this. Wish me luck, please, guys. Anyways, bye.